Hi there, my name's Mariah, also known as Socially Constructed. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I am painting a silhouette of a giraffe that I'm turning into a galaxy, so I guess you could call it a galaxy animal. What you saw me do at the start was I was spraying some masking fluid onto the painting. I did this with a toothbrush and I just flicked the bristles of the toothbrush, which had masking fluid on them, all over the paper. So you can see right now the silhouette of the giraffe, and it has masking fluid all around the edges of the silhouette, and this just helps to make sure that I have a nice clean edge and I don't spill over the edges of that silhouette. I'm saying that word a lot. So I used the same art supplies that I did in my last painting, which was of two of my houseplants. I am using the Koh-i-Noor watercolour discs. Which you can see one on the left. I'm pretty sure I stuck mostly to that white set, which has a lot of vibrant colours in it. They're so pigmented and they give off such bright colours, and I love using them for things like galaxies. Now, the reason that you saw me flick that masking fluid onto the painting at the start is because what it does is it's covered the paper in a whole lot of little speckles of masking fluid, which I can paint right over without worrying about colouring in that paper. And then once the paint is dry, I get to rub it away and it reveals all those cute little stars that you see within the galaxy. This allows for the white of the paper to show through with the stars, as opposed to having to put them on with like a white gel pen or something, and I just prefer this look personally. Now, I do like how I started off this painting with that large area of yellow in the centre, and it also had a fair bit of the paper showing through as well to try and create some of that depth. But I found that during the painting I did really close in on that light area, and I lost that shape of the galaxy that I had initially intended on having. That's just something that I guess I have to be more conscious of next time if I do try to paint one of these again. And I think if I did do another painting like this, I would start with the lights and also work more in layers to create more of a depth, because I do think this did come out looking somewhat flat. I find with like these galaxy paintings, they always pull together at the very end. I think they look kind of crappy to start with, but as you can see now, I feel like it is starting to pull together more, and you are starting to get that depth a bit more in there. I did find it really hard to choose what colour galaxy I wanted to paint, because there's so many options, and I think next time I would love to paint a green galaxy maybe. And if I did another animal silhouette, I would like to do an orca. I have done an orca in this style before, and I think the orca turned out a little rounder than it's supposed to, so I think I would like redemption there. But if that's something you'd like to see, let me know what colour galaxy and maybe what animal I should do next time. Now, one thing to be aware of when using masking fluid is that the paint has to be 100% dry before you lift the masking fluid, or it will smudge and unhappy things will happen. So I just used my fingers to rub along the painting and take off all those little stars that I had flicked on there, and my fingers did stain from the paint. They stained a blue, and if I had touched the white of the paper, it would have smudged and stained onto the paper. And for the masking fluid that got onto the white of the paper, I just used a paper towel and rubbed it along the paper, and that got it off easily. Now, I do feel like I should quickly apologise to my partner, because this does cause a mess with all those little bits of masking fluid. So do make sure that you have a vacuum nearby to clean up. Anyway, it's time to wrap this up, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I hope you have a great day.